Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We are just getting ready to install the spare tire brake light setup on the Jeep. You've probably seen these in some fashion or another. As I was looking online to figure out which one I wanted, decided to go with this one. This is a true plug and play. And as you press on the brake lights, it's going to start here and kind of rotate like a clock the harder you push on the brake. Installation, got about 6 steps. Obviously, we're going to have to take off the spare. We're going to get started and show you a little bit about how that process goes and what it looks like. It's got some pretty good weight to it. There's some cheap ones online that we've seen. That's basically what we're looking at there. You can see the LEDs in there. Plug and play. We'll see if it's truly plug and play and let you know what the process looks like. We're gonna get our tool, get the spare off, and go from there. Installation was super simple. All we had to do was undo all these screws. There's a plug that you're gonna undo, plug it into the new wire, and then back down to the LED ring. Definitely plug and play, super easy to install. Let's see what it looks like. All right, everybody, we're gonna give this one 2 thumbs up. The installation was super easy. The product quality seems great. You can't even see it from the back side. In fact, it even looks better because it blacked out all that area behind the wheel. We'll be sure and follow up with an updated video on longevity of the product, if the LEDs burn out or anything like that. But with any LED products, soon to, sure to know that it's going to last a long time, if you will. But we'll post up a link in the description below where you can get one of these, and we'll do some updated videos of what it looks like at night. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We just made a new announcement. Did you see it?